So let's start from 81 questions. Okay, in continuation of our RMS 9th class exam paper solution. Okay, let's start. So the 81 question is the age of A and B are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Then the present age of B. Okay, the age of A and B are in the ratio 5:7. So that means by taking common multiple, the age present age is 5x and B's present age is 7x. B's present age is 7x. Okay, so 4 years from now means after 4 years. After 4 years means plus 4 and plus 4. Okay, after 4 years, the ages ratio is given to us 3:4. Okay, that means 5x plus 4 upon 7x plus 4 is equals to 3:4. 3:4. This is given to us. Okay, so by cross multiplying this 4 5 3:4, yes, 4 5 is the 20 plus 4 4 is the 16 is equals to 7 3 is the 21x, 4 3 is the 12. So 21x is here. By taking 20x in the RHS, so what happened, 20x minus 20x is here, and here 16 minus 12 is transposing all LHS. Okay, 12. So 16 minus 12 means 16 minus 12 is 4. 4 is equal to x. So x value is, so what is asking, B's present age. B's present age is equal to, what is B's present age? 7x. Okay, 7x means 7 into 4 is equal to 28. Right, this is the answer, 28 years. Next, the factors of 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x. Okay, good. So see here, 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x. Okay, or we can write like, or we can write like this one, minus 9x, and last one is constant plus 6. Okay, now see, here is common 2 and y, so I am taking 2y is common here, 2y common, so only leftover is here, only 2 3s 2 3s 3x minus here 2y is we have already taken common, so leftover is just 2. Here minus 3 get common, minus 3 means here 3x and 3 2s 3 2s. Okay, so the again see here is 3x minus 2, here is 3x minus 2, again common, let again common 3x minus 2, so leftover here is 2y and here is minus 3, so the answer is 3x minus 2, 2y minus 3. This one is the answer, right? 82. 83. A student multiply a number by 3 by 5 instead of 5 by 3. Okay, instead of 5 by 3, he has multiplied the number with 3 by 5. So the original one is the 5 by 3 into x, and the wrongly multiplied with 3 by 5 into x. Understood? So the difference is 5 by 3x minus 3 by 5x is equal to how much difference? Difference is 15, and here 5 5 is the 25, 25 minus 9, 5 5 is the 25, 25x minus 3 3 is the 9x. So it is, the difference is 25 minus 9 is 16x upon 15. This is the difference. So what is asking, what is the percentage error in the calculation? Okay, error in the calculation means Difference is how much? 16x upon 15 divided by original value how much? 5 by 3, means 5x by 3 into 100 into 1. We go for just 1 minute, go for solution page. See, there is a one formula, error percentage. Error percentage is nothing but difference of original minus error, okay, upon original value into 100. This is the error percentage formula. So difference is how much? We have already 16x upon we have no calculate now. 16x upon 15, 16x upon 15, okay, 16x upon 15 divided by original value how much? 5x by 3 into 100. This is the required percentage. So by simplifying 16x by 5, this division sign becomes, I am converting in multiplication. So what happened? 3 by 5x reciprocal into 100. Understood? So this x gets cancelled, and 5 5 is the 25 na, 5 5 is the 25, 5 5 is the 25, 25 4 is the, okay, here is 15, not, okay, 15. 1 minute, just small mistake. Okay, so no, this x gets cancelled. This is 15, 3 1s the 3, 3 5 is the 15, okay, this is the 100, okay. Next 5 5 is the 25 na, so 25 4 is the 100, gets cancelled. So remaining part is 16. This is the percentage, okay, 16 4 is the 64%. So the answer is 64%. So 64% is the answer. Next, the actual width of a storeroom is 300 centimeter. Actual width of a storeroom is 300 centimeter width. In the scale chosen to make its drawing is 1:6. Okay, so very easy. Then what will be the width of the room in the drawing? Very easy. Just 6x is equal to 300. So x is equal to 50. That's it. Next, polygons that have no portion of their diagonals in their exterior means their exterior only convex. The standard form of 782 into how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, that means 782 into 10 to the power of 6. So by putting point here 7.82, so by here multiply with the 10 square and division with the 10 square. So the answer is 7.82 into 10 to the power of 8. Right. Which number is to be divided 53 to 40 to make it a perfect cube? Okay, first take prime factor it. So the 53 240 na, yes, 53 240. First prime factor it. So by taking 2 2 is the 4, and here 2 6 is the 12, here 2 6 is the 12, 2 2 is the 2 0 is the. Next 2 1 is the 2 3 is the 2 3 is the. Next 2 1 is the 0 is the. Again 2 table, 2 6 is the 12, 2 6 is the 12, and 2 5 is the 10, 2 5 is the 10. Okay, next it is divisible with 5. Okay, 5 1 is the 5 3 is the 15, and again 5 3 is the 15, again 5 1 is the. Okay, so now 1 plus 3 4 4 4 4 5 5 5. Okay, So it is divisible with 11, I hope. 11 ones are 11, and 11 twos are 22, and 1 is here. 11 ones are okay. 11 11s are 121. Okay, so the factors are, what are the factors? Factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 11 into 11 into 11. Okay, 1 2 3 11s, 1 5, and 1 2 3. Okay, right. So now what is question asking is, when 5 3 2 40 divisible, which number 53 to 40? Okay, 53 to 40. Question is asking that which number is to be divided by so and so to make it a perfect cube. Okay, which number is to be divided? Okay, which number to be divided means, see here, 53 to 40 na. So 53 to 40 factors is, so cube means this is one pair of 2, and this is the one pair of 11. So remaining pair is not left here, 5. So 53 to 40 is exactly divisible and is a perfect cube if 5 is, if we have divided with the 5, so it is become a perfect cube. Which perfect cube? 2 into 11. 2 into 11 means 22. Okay, so we have to divide with 5, right? Are you got this? Very good. So the divisible number is 5. This number should be divisible. In a 2-digit number, x in a unit digit. Okay, x is in a unit digit. Okay, and y is in tens place. Then reverse number is, reverse number means xy. Xy means x is in the tens place and y is in the units place. 10x plus y, 10x plus y. This is the answer. Okay, next, which of the following is quotient obtained on dividing by? Okay, where is, see here, 4x x square y square, x square y square, into, see, I'm taking for solution, go for solution this one. See, 4x square y square into 3z minus 24 upon 36xy 36xy z minus 8. This is given to us. See here, 4 ones are 4 nines are first one. Okay, this one, this x gets cancelled, this y gets cancelled. Okay, remaining portion is here, in the numerator only xy. So now I am here taking common 3. I am taking common 3. So whatever here is z, here is 3 is a 24 z minus 8, and remaining part here 9 into z minus 8. So this z minus 8, this z minus 8 cancel, 3 ones are 3 threes are. So the required answer is xy by 3. This is a quotient. Understood? Xy by 3. Tally marks are used to find which of the following. Tally marks are used for frequency. Statistics. This is the question from statistics. Next, which set of sides are possible to have a triangle? Okay, possible sets of a triangle is one principle. There is sum of two sides. Suppose 1 plus 2. This, suppose example I am taking, assume one side, two side is always greater than third side. If this type of if any values is existing in the options, so that may be considered as our required answer. So see here a1 is 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, 2 plus 3 is 5. So here in first case, A's case, 5, what happened? 5 is equals to 5. This is not possible. Okay, in second question, second in the B option, 20 plus 25 is a 45. Okay, 45 is greater than 43. Yes, this is the correct one. Next, all 6 faces of cuboid L is not equals to B is not equals to H are dash in shape and adjacent faces have dash area. Dash area. C. All 6 faces of cuboid, all 6 faces of a cuboid L is not equals to B, B is not equals to H are in shape. The cuboid is formed with the rectangle. Okay, so rectangle, this answer, this one is the, okay, all 6 faces of a cuboid is the cuboid is the rectangle becomes a cuboid. Okay, the cuboid is forming with the help with the rectangle. Okay, rectangle. So all 6 faces are in shape of rectangular and adjacent faces have different areas. Okay, different area, L into B. Each area is L into B. Okay, so this one is the correct one, not same. This one is correct. 92. Next, 93. The associative property is applicable to 93. Applicable to addition and multiplication. Which of the following will have 6 at units place? Units place. 6 means 9 9 the 9 9 the 36. 9 9 the 81. 9 9 the 81. The unit place is 1. 11 means 1. 4 4 the 16. This is the 6. 3 3 is the 9. So what is asking, which of the following will have 6 at unit place means 24 square. Understood? The area of a rhombus whose diagonals are of length 10 centimeter and 8 centimeter is, the area of a rhombus is half of d1 into d2. d1 into d2 diagonal. So what is half of d1? What is d1? 10 centimeter and d2 is 8.2 means 82 by 10. Right? This 10 gets cancelled. 2 ones the 2 fours the 2 2 fours the 2 ones the. Okay. So the answer is 41. One minute, 82 na here. 1 minute. Half of d1 into d2. Half of 1 minute. Half of d1 into d2. d2 means 8.2 centimeter. 82 by 10. Okay. This 10 did scale this the 8 82 by 10. Okay. So half of d1 into d2 now. Alright. This 10 gets cancelled and 2 ones the 2 fours the and 2 ones the 2 fours the 2 ones the 41. Right, 41 centimeters. Next, which of the following is equal to 1 kiloliter? 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 dm cube. This 1000 decimeters, decameter, not decimeter. Which of the following cannot be true for a polyhedron? Not true, not true. Euler formula. Euler formula, you know na, Euler formula. F plus V is equals to E plus 2. By substituting these values, we can check which one is not true. Okay, see here, F plus V, 4 plus 4 8 is equal to E plus 2 6 plus 2. This is the true one. This is the true one. So not true is this one is also true. This one is also true. So see here, we 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Okay, 10 is equal to E plus 2. E means 6 plus 2. If we adding plus 2 to 8. So this is not true. D1 is the correct. If 5278 5278 is a squared, suppose this is a squared, then what will be at the units place? Units place, square means 8 8 the 64, so the unit place is 4. It's very easy. Okay. Next, what is the numerical form of this one? Numerical form of this one. Numerical form of this one. So see, 1000 into a means 1000 into a means a. This is the in the thousand place. This is in thousand place, and 100 place is 0. Okay, and the tens place is b, and unit place is c. This is the numerical form. Understood? Okay. So A0 BC, which one? B1 is the correct, na? B1. Right, B1 is the correct. Right. Next, next 100th question, last question, huh? Yes. 6 pipes are required to fill a tank in 1 hour 20 minutes. See, 6 pipes are required to fill a tank in 1 hour 20 minutes. How many pipes? 6 pipes are required to fill a tank in 1 hour 20 minutes. If we use 5 such type of pipes, how much time it will be take to fill the tank? Understood? See, this is by using unitary method. 1 minute. Go for solution this also. See, what is asking that last question. Suppose 6 pipes in 1 hour 20 minutes. 1 hour plus 20 minutes means 1 hour plus 20 minutes means 80 minutes. Okay, this is, I'm directly writing this 80 minutes. So asking is, in five pipes in how much time? See, 6 pipes in 80 minutes, 6 pipes in 80 minutes, 5 pipes in 5 pipes, so it becomes more means 6 by 5 into 80 minute. So 5 ones the 5 16 the 16 6 the 96 minute. This is the required answer. This is the indirect 6, here is less and here is more time to take. Indirect inversion, this is called indirect inversion. Always time and work, indirect inversion. So the answer is 96 minutes. So last question answer is 96 minutes. This is over of mathematics solution. So please, if you like my videos, so subscribe our channel for more interesting updates, and next chapter, and so many important topics we have to discuss in the upcoming sessions. So please like, share and subscribe so that we can upload so many interesting chapters. Okay, thank you very much.